everyone, today we're talking about film that I've watched titled Unfriended, Dark Web. Now, if you've seen it, I know it will make you think, should I put tape on my gadgets? Or is it safe out there in digital? So, if you haven't seen the movie, don't worry, I got you. So, this movie follows a guy named Matthias who finds a laptop at a coffee shop. He thinks he's lucky, right? But nope. Turns out the guy who owned the laptop belongs to a dark web group that do horrible things that normal people can't do. So, the guy who owned the laptop gets paid a lot of money to kidnap some girls to do horrible things on them. And while he is online playing with his friend for a game night, some files start to pop up and things got really dark fast. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Believe it or not, a lot of tech in this movie is based on real ICT trends. Encrypted messaging, real. Hidden folders and secret chats, totally real. Ano pa ba? Cryptocurrency and dark web, 100% fake thing. Remote access and hacking tools, unfortunately, it's real. This movie shows a lot of internet threats we should be all aware of. First is identity theft. This laptop contains a lot of personal accounts and passwords. Second is device hacking. They take over webcams, messages, and calls. Third is data manipulation. They edited fake messages and videos. And lastly, the worst one is criminal networks on dark web. People working online but for some bad reasons. Okay, so what can we actually learn from Unfriended movie? So first is protect your devices. Although when it comes to hacking, kaya nilang i-penetrate kahit ano. Pero advice pa rin ng karamihan ay gumamit ng strong password para naman mabawasan ang chance na ma-hack mo yung device. And third, your webcam and microphone can be hacked, so secure them. So, this explains that yung webcam po and microphone can be hacked, so maririnig po nila kung ano yung sinasabi mo, makikita nila kung ano yung ginagawa mo, na pwedeng ibenta through online. And for fourth, dark web is not a place to explore for fun. I mean, seriously, dark web, tapos mag-explore ka lang ng basta-basta. And lastly, this movie makes you feel why you should think before you click.